Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add hover effects to images in WordPress using Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have learned how to make your website images far more dynamic and engaging, simply by adding smooth hover animations. It's a small detail with a big impact, and whether you want your images to gently pop, bounce, or even skew as visitors mouse over them, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. To start, make sure you're inside the Elementor editor where all the magic happens. I'll be focusing specifically on adding hover effects to an image block, since these are the most visually striking and perfect for things like galleries, team profiles, or even product highlights. First, either click to add a new image block or just drag and drop one directly onto your page. If you're new to Elementor, the drag and drop functionality is super intuitive. Think of it as rearranging magnets on a fridge, but with way more possibilities. Once your image block is in place, go ahead and upload or choose the image you want to enhance from your existing library. Be thoughtful with your selection here. Hover effects work best on images that you want to draw some extra attention to. Maybe it's a featured product or just a picture that could use a little flair. Next, with your image selected, click into the Style tab in the Elementor sidebar. Here, where you can really customize the look of your element, but today we'll focus on hover settings specifically. Now look for the section labeled Hover. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it's usually tucked just below the main style options. Give it a click, and you'll see all the possible hover animations unfold in a dropdown. Here, where the fun begins. Elementor offers a wide array of hover animations like Shrink, which makes your image subtly contract in size, Pulse and Pulse Grow, which add a rhythmic zoom effect. Push and Pop for those playful, punchy reveals, Bounce in, Rotate, Sync, Hang, Skew, and many more. Take a moment to try out a few by simply selecting them from the list. You'll see a live preview on your page so you can immediately get a feel for each animation's flavor. Don't rush here, experiment with the different options, and think about what tone or energy you want your site to give off. For example, a gentle pulse might feel friendly and inviting, while a bounce or skew could give a more dynamic, high-tech vibe. Once you've landed on an effect that fits your style, you're nearly there. If at any point you want to see how your animation looks in real life, just use the preview button. Sometimes things look a bit different when you're actually hovering with your mouse, so it's totally normal to tweak things a couple of times to get them just right. When you're satisfied, simply hit the Publish button to make your changes live or update if you're editing an existing page. And just like that, you've given your images a lively new personality. Don't worry if you want to come back later and switch up the animation. Elementor makes it super easy to adjust or remove hover effects anytime. So that's really all there is to it. Adding hover effects takes just a minute, but the impact on your site's interactivity is huge. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which effects worked best for your site, or if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress and Elementor tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.